Facebook is paying creators thousands of dollars simply to post content on Facebook. I'm Christina, and this is a social media strategy lab. I currently have 2 pages in the Facebook content monetization program, and I'm making $4,000 to $6,000 per month simply by posting silly memes, short videos, and questions on my Facebook page. And today I'm going to show you 3 types of reels that are going viral like crazy on Facebook right now and are super easy to make in bulk using a few tools. So I won't make you wait. Let's get right into it. The first type of reel that's going viral right now is the quote reel. And this is just what it sounds like, a simple quote over a background video. So the video needs to be animated, but otherwise you can just have text on top of that simple animated video. So we see this one right here, good friends plus a crackling fire equals therapy money can't buy. Simple quote. Thousands of likes, thousands of shares. This is making this page a lot of money, and you can copy this easily. So to make quote reels, you're going to start in ChatGPT. And I like to make 100 quote reels at a time because I can post several a day and make lots of money. And this process all takes less than an hour to create 100 reels. So I start with the prompt to give me 100 quotes about nature, camping, and campfires. Of course, fill in your niche. I want posts that are short and sweet and have already gone viral on social media, output with no numbers or formatting so I can copy into a spreadsheet. So we hit that post and ChatGPT will quickly start giving us quotes and it'll give us 100 quotes. Once I have 100 quotes, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to post the quotes into a spreadsheet and save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Then I head to Canva. And so in Canva, I'm going to create what I call my base quote reel. So I basically formatted the text, similar length, and have one video in the example. And then I'm going to use Canva's bulk create feature to create a bunch of these videos. So I click bulk create, and then I'm going to upload data, and I'm going to upload that CSV file with those 100 quotes. Then I select the text on the reel and select connect data, put the quote in, select continue, create 97 designs. View in folder. And Canva's given me 2. I can't fit all of them in one, so it gives me 2. And now I have 97 videos. I don't know why there wasn't 100. I think I didn't post them all into the CSV, but I have 97 videos, each with a different quote. Now, I don't want the exact same video on all of these, so what I'm going to do is go in and use stock videos from Canva, or you could use AI videos. And if my page was about camping, I'd say campfire videos, see all, and then I would simply start putting a different video background on each of these, and the time would be different. But you can see I can quickly just go in and update the background for each of these and make it the length that I want. And so you can see how you could easily create hundreds of quote videos in less than an hour. A couple of things to be aware of with these. If you do add audio to them, you can add audio to one and keep the same one. So for this, maybe I add a campfire noise to all, or don't add any audio at all is also fine, but make sure that you're using audio that is not copyrighted, that is in the public domain, or else you might have to share your earnings with the music creator. And then the other thing to note is that Facebook, as of right now, only monetizes videos that are at least 10 seconds. The second type of reel that is going viral right now is what we call a talking head reel. This is where you have a reel of an AI person looking at the camera and saying a quote. So you can use a viral quote that's already gone viral on your page. Those do really well. Or you can have ChatGPT generate a bunch of quotes like we did in the last example. And then you get a video that have a wise old person giving advice. Of course, you could do any age, but the wise old people seem to be what works best on Facebook right now. So to create your own talking head reel, so head over to ChatGPT and we're going to write a prompt for our own talking head reel. Give me a Sora video prompt showing a wise old man sitting in a rocking chair on his front porch in the country. He looks directly at the camera, smiles, and says, and then I give the quote, and this is a quote that's already gone viral on one of my pages. And I can just simply change that quote up and keep using the same prompt over and over again. I can either change the setting or the quote or both. So I copy that, I head over to Sora, paste in the prompt, check the settings. I want one version of the video, 15 seconds. And then I wait for Sora to create that video. I normally do this process in bulk so I can create 5 Sora videos at one time. So I usually have 5 Sora prompts ready to go. So I generate 5 videos at once and then I can edit and upload those in bulk. And Sora gives me this video, which is ready to go. We can listen.
Mornings are spent outside, with no rush to go anywhere.
And so this video is great. It's pretty much ready to post, but I want to put it in Canva for a few reasons. So I'm going to download that video, and then I'm going to upload the video to Canva. And I do this for a few reasons. One, if there's too much lag, I can edit some off. The other reason is that the frame rate isn't high enough when you download the video directly from Sora, so I want to download it as a high resolution video that will perform well on Facebook. And then finally, I want to add captions. So select captions simply and generate captions. And this creates on-screen text that catches the user's eye, keeps them engaged. It means that people who are watching Reels without sound know what's happening in your video. And so I've just found that Reels with those captions perform a little better. So once I've made any of those edits, I can download the video and it is ready to go. The last type of viral Reels are memes. So these might take a little more effort to create, but I've also found that I've had the most Reels reach 1 million views and pay me $500 to $700 for a single reel with this type of reel. So the little extra effort is worth it. So you see this simple reel from a camping page. Well, you almost made it except for your language while backing up the camper, and it's a heaven. So kind of a classic reel cartoon updated for the niche, and it just has a tiny bit of animation with the angel moving that page. So how can you create these meme reels? Well, again, you head back to ChatGPT, you upload the reel that went viral. So in this case, we have a little squirrel reel, and say, create a Sora video prompt to animate this meme into a 15-second video. Keep movement simple, ignore text, natural, pleasant background noises only, no voices. That's important. Sora loves to put in voices, and we don't want that on these. So we hit that, and it'll give us a Sora prompt. Now, the reason we put no text is because at the current time, Sora is just not very good at adding text on videos. It'll give you part of the text, but it won't look great. I'm sure that'll change in the near future as the technology improves, but for now, you do have to add the text separately in Canva. So go into Sora and create that video. And after a short wait, I've got this great video of the squirrel from Sora, so I download that. Then I upload that video in Canva and add the same text that was on the meme. And again, I can adjust the time, but I want to make sure it's at least 10 seconds. And this meme reel is ready to go. It really is almost too good to be true. I'm making an average of $5,000 per month, posting about 20 times per day, just simple images, text questions, and 4 to 5 of these reels, which you can see are so easy to create. This is truly a part-time job. It's a great side hustle, and you don't need any special skills or experience. Just follow what we do, copy it, and there's a lot of money to be made right now. And don't forget to follow us. We'll keep you updated on everything that's paying on Facebook so you can make the most money with this easy side hustle.